Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to allow camera access on YouTube on iPhone. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on YouTube app. Okay, then tap on plus icon. Okay, then back. Allow this camera option, tap on settings, scroll down, click on apps. Okay, scroll down, choose on YouTube. Okay, tap on this YouTube app. Okay, this option is disabled, just click. Camera allow access is on. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.